in this lesson grammar is there. Okay, that is subject verb agreement is there. Subject verb agreement. What it means? First we will learn subject. What is subject? Okay, see here children, subject, a person, place, thing that is doing or being something. Subject means what? Subject means a person, place or thing doing something. Means he is doing something. That person, place or thing is doing or being something. This is subject. You know about subject. A subject in a sentence. In a sentence, a subject is maybe a person, a place or thing or animal, whatever it may be. That in a sentence, what part will come? No, person, place, animals or thing. That's why we are calling as subject. Okay, Ajay plays cricket. Ajay plays cricket regularly. See here children, who plays cricket? Ajay. Ajay is the subject, means he is doing something. What he is doing? He is playing. So thus in a sentence, Ajay is subject here. Okay. Verb means what? You know in parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, 8 parts of speech you learnt, no children? Then what is verb? Verb is a action. Action done by maybe a person, place or animal or anything. Things. Okay. So here verb means what children? Action performed by the subject or state of being. Verb means what? Action performed. Action performed by person. Action performed by subject. Action means what is singing, dancing, playing. Action whatever done by the verb means an action word. So subject what it doing the action, that is calling as a verb. Okay. Here subject verb is there. Subject here, see one more time I will write here. Ajay plays cricket regularly. See children in this sentence, who is playing here? Ajay. This is the subject. What Ajay is doing? Plays. This is the verb. Okay. This is the action he is doing. Ajay is doing action, that is the plays. So Ajay is the subject and plays is the verb. Next, subject may be, this subject may be first person. You know children, first person what will come? I, we. Is it first person? Second person? Second person will come you. Third person what will come children? Third person he, she, it, they will come in the third person. He, she, it, they. See here in first person I and we will come. Second person you and third person he, she. sheet there. According to this one, you have to write the verb. Subject may be in first person, or it may be in second person, or it may be in third person. You should use the verb according to the subject. If it is in first person what, second person what, third person what, you have to think and you have to write the verb. Next, subject verb agreement means what? Subject you learned, okay? Verb you learned. What it means? Subject verb agreement. For making a sentence grammatically correct, the verb must agree with its subject in number. See, number you know children, singular and plural. Okay? When you are writing the subject, it should agree with the verb. It should be agree. Grammatically it should be correct in number. If it is in plural, verb you should use. If it is in singular, you should use a singular verb. Okay? See here. Singular subject, singular verb. When the subject is in third person. When the subject is in third person, children, that time singular subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. It applies only when the subject is in third person. Okay? Example, see, that monkey eats banana. Example, you see children, that monkey eats banana. See here children, monkey is also in singular form and eats verb. This is also in singular form. So, when that monkey, that it is subject is in third person, when the subject is in third person, if the statement, if the subject is singular, that monkey means that it is monkey is only one. This is in number singular. And verb also you should use singular. Eats. That monkey eats bananas. Next, this car goes fast. One more example you see here. This car goes fast. See here, car. This is also only one car, singular, and goes. This is also in singular form. Okay? When subject is in singular and verb is also in singular. When children? When the subject is in third person. Okay? Next, see one more example, plural. Those monkeys eat bananas. See here. Those monkeys eat bananas. See here, monkeys. This is in the plural form. More than one monkeys. Okay? That time verb should be in plural form. Okay? When the subject is in plural, the verb should be in plural. See here, these cars go fast. Here, this car is there. Here, these cars go fast. See here, children, this car, this is singular and verb is also in singular. These cars, this is in plural and verb should be in plural when the subject is in third person. Got a point, children? Yes. Next. not in third person. When subject is not in third person. Is not in third person. This rule won't apply that time. Okay? When subject is in third person, subject singular, verb singular, subject plural, verb also plural. But when the subject is not in a third person, for example, I read newspaper. I read newspaper daily. See here children, I is in first person, I. Okay? This is in singular. Read, this is the verb plural, this is in plural. Okay? This rule, that is singular subject, singular verb, it applies only when it is the subject is in third person. When subject is in not third person, see here, I is singular, but read is plural. Okay? I read newspaper regularly. This is the singular form and verb is in plural form. Okay. Next, we read newspapers regularly. We read newspapers regularly. Okay. That time see, we means this is plural, read also in plural. Okay, so when subject is in first or second person, there is no rule that singular subject and singular verb. Plural subject must have plural verb. Okay, this point you have to remember in your mind children, that when subject is in third person, this rule applies, means subject, singular verb, plural subject, plural verb. But you have to remember in mind that when the subject is in not third person, that time it changes. See here, I told you, I is the singular, read is the plural, we is the plural and read is also in plural. This type changes will come. So, in page number 47 is there children, in your the gift of Magi book lesson, that page number 47 is there. You try to fill it. If you can't, I will send that notes also for you. Okay.